Coconut Argan Oil. Grab this lightweight hair treatment, a blend of our fav oils like argan, sweet almond and sunflower seed, to help protect your hair from the elements while hydrating, restoring and strengthening your mane. Good vibes for your hair. Our argan oil is a perfect treatment to help protect, strengthen and restore your locks. Add manageability and a brilliant silky shine all with this one oil. Plus, it smells like summer. How to use: a little goes a long way. Add 1 to 3 pumps in your hand, and work through your locks from mid to ends. Sonny's tip: give extra love to dry ends and avoid your roots. Mix with Anti-Frizz for best results. Protect your hair. The key to maintaining healthy locks is healthy, natural ingredients. Our protecting hair products are enriched vitamins and minerals, and are vegan, gluten, cruelty and paraben free. They're gonna be your new fav. Trust the bum. What does that mean? It means trust us, the ones who live on the beach and need products that work on the most intense days in the sun. The simple truth is, when you make products to protect the ones you love, you make them better. Sport type. Surfing. Sun Bum Revitalizing Coconut Argan Oil is a lightweight oil treatment that protects your hair from the harsh summer elements while naturally hydrating, restoring, and strengthening your hair. The tropical blend of oils and sea botanicals work to revitalize your hair, adding manageability and a brilliant silky shine. Infused with sea botanicals, ultralight argan oil and sweet almond oil, this lightweight pre-styling oil protects and prevents split ends, flyaways and reduces frizz. Safe for all hair types, and as an added bonus, it offers protection from damaging UV rays, helping prevent your hair from becoming dull, brittle and discolored. Top reviews from the United States. Beautiful shine. After straightening hair, I put this on to control any flyaway and create a shine. The scent makes me feel like I'm heading to the beach. Love it.